Hey y'all, it's Tammy with Southern Angels Stamping. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please remember to go right down below, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified on all my new videos. Also, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. That way YouTube will know that you are liking all my videos, and we'll be producing more of my videos out there for others to watch. That's what that is for. So it's very important that you do give my videos a thumbs up on YouTube. And please share my videos. Share them with people that you know. Share them on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, in any accounts that you have. Share them with your friends, your family, anybody that you think would be interested to watch videos. I make all kinds of content, so please just share them, and that also helps my channel to grow and videos to be notified. So and please leave a comment. Tell me hello, what you're doing, you know, how you're handling you know, staying at home with everything that's going on in the world, because I do answer all my comments. Sometimes it may take me a day or two to get back to you with being busy and all, but I do answer all my comments back. I love to communicate with other people. So now, with all that being said, this is just a very short video, introductory. Probably took longer than what the video will take. If you ever have, and I've said this in other videos, if you ever have a problem with your paper pumpkin products or your Stampin' Up products, anything, please get in touch with Stampin' Up and let them know. If you get a paper pumpkin kit and there's something wrong with anything in the kit, get in touch with them, let them know right away. Even the ink, if it's not working right, anything like that, let them know. They will fix this for you. They will send you know, that product to you as quickly as they can. If it's the dimensional's not working right, the little ink glue dots, whatever it might be, they will correct it. So just let them know if something's not working right in your kit. You know, if the stamps aren't working right or whatever, they will fix it. It doesn't, you know, it rarely happens, but sometimes, you know, one of the kits, there might be something wrong, something might be missing, you know, whatever. Just let them know. Well, I've had a couple of ink spots, and I was telling them while I was on there talking about my last order, and I did tell them that I had a couple of ink spots in my last paper pumpkin order that I noticed were a bit dry, and they have said they've had some complaints about the inks. Some ink spots were dry, so they were nice enough to send me a couple more, and that's what I wanted to just let y'all know. If you do have some ink spots that seem a little drier than normal, please go let them know, and they will send you some more, because my basic gray and my Rococo Rose were dry. So he wasn't sure if they still had Rococo Rose. Basic gray is the one we just had. I had to, and if you have to get by with what you've got, you can add like a little vegetable glycerin. I don't know where my bottle is right offhand. It was sitting here because I had to use it on my last two. I don't know where I did with my bottle now. Anyway, that can help liquefy and get a little bit more, just help the ink a little bit better if you use a little bit of vegetable glycerin. And I really wish I had my bottle sitting here so I could show you what that looked like. But I had gotten mine way back, and it was a pretty big bottle from Walmart. So you can order it off of Walmart. I think it came out of the Oh, the pharmacy area, actually. So check on Walmart if you need to order it, or Amazon. And you can order you some if you need it. But it's something good to keep in your arsenal. Keep on hand, because you can use it for a lot of things. So anyway, I just added just a very small drop and kind of put in that like you would do ink with a card, and just added a tiny little drop to get my ink going. And but I did tell them they were a little dry, and that helped me get through my videos. But they did send me some new ones, so I just wanted to let you know, if you ever run into something like that, let them know and they'll send you some new ones. So there are my new inks, and I was just going to test them out. So I'm happy now I've got some new ones. These should work better, hopefully. And always try to keep them stored upside down, because that's what I do. There's my old one. And after I had gotten the vegetable glycerin, it stamped okay, but I knew it wasn't going to last long if the ink wasn't all that great. This Spongonius scrap paper. Excuse me. Been outside the last few days, and my allergies are really acting up, because I've just been tired of being cooped up. It's been nice, and I can't go nowhere, so I just get outside with the dogs and try to enjoy the sunshine a little bit with them, and now my allergies are even worse. So I guess I'm gonna have to quit going outside now for a little bit, because now I'm really sniffling. Alright, sorry about that. The phone was going off over there. So let's just get a little, try it out on these little dragonflies I have sitting here. Stamps much better. So much better. And I only unhinged this one end. So that they'll stay together. If they come apart on the other side, I'll just get a piece of tape and tape it. These little ink spots are great. If you need to get a re-inker and re-ink them, you can. Oh yeah, that's so much better. Alrighty there. Much juice here. Alrighty then. So that's all I wanted to share with you. So I thank y'all for tuning in, and please keep watching for more videos. And I have many more to share with you. I've got some more card videos. Just a little sneak peek. I'll be sharing this here coming up soon. It's called Friend Like You. So I've got some great cards I've been working on with this stamp set. So that'll be coming up here soon. So I hope you'll keep a watch out for that. And remember, here is my host code. I forgot to tell you about that. So that started on April 3rd. And remember to look out for the paper pumpkin. If you're interested in ordering the paper pumpkin, you have until the April 10th. to go and order that, you can order monthly by monthly, every 3 months, every 6 months, or every 12 months. So you want to go check that out. The new one is all about family. Very nice kit. You can check that out. And I thank y'all again for watching. And I'll see you again real soon. Here's some other videos for you to check out. Until next time, thank you for watching. And have a blessed day.